Okay, so on a 700 DC, we're going to show you how to put in a tall sill. We don't have a tall sill, but this is what we got. So we're going to install the sill in place, and as you use one hand to hold it straight up, there's going to be a Fabco switch to push the cylinders in at low pressure. And then right now, it's going to hold it and give you time to use both hands to clamp it up fully. There's only 15 pounds of pressure on that. So now if we go ahead and hit the sequence forward, it's going to go ahead and clamp up. And then now it's fully clamped up. Now this machine has a special option on there, so they're going to be smaller pads, but other than that, this is how it's going to work. So now we're going to show you how to run a door unit without running a sill. We're going to shut the sill off, the sill clamp off by, there's a Fabco disable button. We're going to push it in, and now we can go ahead and clamp it, and only the jam clamp is going to clamp up.